Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're on the farm. Are you ready to learn some new words, kids? Now, on this farm, there is a cow, a sheep, a pig, and a chicken. Do you know what the word is for cow in Setswana? Very good. It's kgomo.
Dumela khomo.
And what is the word for sheep in Setswana? That's right. It's nku.
Dumela nku.
Now, what is the word for pig in Setswana? That's right. It's kolobe.
Dumela kolobe.
And what is the word for chicken in Setswana? Very good. It's koko.
Dumela koko.
And now you know the names of the farm animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Sala sinhle.